In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Intel graphic drivers on your computer. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you're having problems with your computer, maybe it can't play videos well, the graphics or the video are not smooth, then you need to go ahead and install graphics on your computer. To do that, just go to any browser and then just go ahead and search for Intel graphics driver, and here it is. So whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this should apply for both. Now you can see we have here download Intel drivers and software. Click on it and you'll have to choose the graphics option. You can see it is here, so I'll choose graphics, and now you can see we have quite a number of graphics that are available for you here. Go ahead and choose according to your computer, and you can simply do this by just clicking on download here, and this will go ahead and begin the download of these graphics. And now once that is done, you can go ahead and open the folder that you have just downloaded, and you can see mine is here. And then from here, go ahead and install them by running as admin. So that's how you download and install Intel graphic drivers on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.